Rainbow's End, another gift store. I can smell food cooking too. And this is an antique store. It's open. Wine Trains and an old projector. When I was a kid, we had a projector like that one in my home. Bell and and we have a book sale at the Dimmick Memorial Library. Book sale till 3:30 today. Always something exciting going on here. That's why so many people come here. What a cute little library. Small and cute. Attorney Robert I. Esquire. Roberti and Roberti, LLC. And Paramount Abstract. That probably means when you see attorneys that have own an abstract company, they usually do real estate mostly. A letterpress where they do printing. They make cards and sell cards. Looks like they do paperwork too. Jewelry and vintage art. $2 jewelry and brooches. Italian restaurant. This is the Ma Chunk Inc. T-shirts, wearables, Jim Thorpe shirts, beautiful flowers. So the backyard, not open yet, has the feeling of maybe a restaurant. Aros. Is it a restaurant? Could be a restaurant. It is. It's a restaurant. Salads. Sliders. Not open yet though. A wine cellar and wine tasting facility. And the Fellini, a Film Fest tradition. They make sandwiches for the Film Fest comers. It's another restaurant. These are cool little hole-in-the-wall type restaurants. There's no Wendy's or McDonald's or Burger Kings around here. It's sort of the way things are supposed to be, I think. One can never tell. This is Switchback, named after the railroad. It's the entrance to Switchback. It's a restaurant, I think. Cool to know. It's clothing or apparel or something. I'm not sure what it is. This is a flag store, apparently. Not sure what this is. A bookstore, maybe? Lots of little shops and stores. This is called the Priestess. Suppliers of magic. Suppliers of miracle and seeing. It's a tarot place. The Priestess. And down the rabbit hole. Smoke coffee. And a dog. This is Dimmick House. Built in 1871. This Italianite Victorian townhouse was the home of U.S. Congressman Milo M. Dimmick and his family. His son Milton founded the Dimmick Memorial Library on old mutt chunk in their memory. And here's the Mott Chunk Opera House and the Jim Thorpe Film Festival. Jim Thorpe Indie Film Festival.
I know where kids come from. Thank you.
Let's see what films they're going to have today.
And then when two people love each other very much. Yeah.
They have a comedy shop here. Let's see what coming attractions they have.
They were selling quite a bit.
They have, these are some of the coming attractions, I guess. It's the film festival. Let's see if they tell us what. So what movies can you see?
There's a burger.
May I take a look at it?
Of course.
Oh, thank you. Are you selling them or giving them away?
What?
Are you selling these or?
Giving them away.
Oh, that's nice. Thank you very much. Okay, let's see what movies are on the program.